In this video, I'll teach you how to compute the expectation and the variance for the moment generating function of a random variable x. So the moment generating function of a random variable x is this. How do we compute the expectation and the variance? Solution. So we should note that the expectation or the mean for the moment generating function is equal to m, the first differential of x at t is equal to 0. So it means that if you differentiate this function and you now put every t to be equal to 0, it becomes the expectation of x. Now, we'll move over to this side of the board. If we have n xt to be equal to q plus p et raised to the power of n. Now, it then means that our expectation of x will be equal to the first differential for this function at t equal to 0. So, what is our first derivative? If we differentiate this function, we'll get this n will move over to this side, we'll get n into q plus p et raised to the power of n minus 1 times, now because we are differentiating with respect to t, we'll have times p et. So this is what we'll get if we differentiate this function, which is the moment generating function. The next thing to do, we'll say at t to be equal to 0, we'll have that our expectation of x will be equal to m x0, which is equal to n into q plus p et, sorry, anywhere we see t, we put 0, raised to the power of n minus 1 multiplied by p a 0. Of course, from mathematics, anything raised to the power of 0 is 1. That is, a raised to the power of 0 is 1. It then implies that exponential 0 is equal to 1. So, what is now our expectation of x? We'll move over to this side of the board to write our expectation of x. For more on this topic, you need to subscribe to this channel. So, what is now our expectation of x? Our expectation of x will be equal to n into q plus p. Of course, this will give us 1. The exponent raised to the power of 0 raised to the power n minus 1 multiplied by p multiplied by p. So we can still write this as np into q plus p raised to the power of n minus 1. And we recall that from probability, q plus p or p plus q is equal to 1. And probability of success plus probability of failure is equal to 1. So it then means that our expectation of x is equal to np into 1 raised to the power of n minus 1, which is equal to np. So it then means that our expectation of x, which is the I equation, is equal to np. So this is simply how we can obtain the mean for the moment generating function. Now, how do we obtain the variance for the moment generating function, which is the second question that is given? How do we obtain the variance? We move over to this side of the board.